of class 8. I think you are fine. And now you are trying to study well because your exam is near to the door, especially annual exam. So you should be prepared for passing the exam, I think. And you are also preparing for your exam yourselves. Dear students, dear learners of class 8, today's I will discuss especially on the topic, the fixed topic, suffixes and prefixes. Suffixes and prefixes. So at first we have to understand what is root of any word. What is root? Here root means the main part of any word, any vocab is called root. Here we can see educate plus IVE equal educating. Here root is educate. Here root is educate. And IVE. Here IVE suffix and new word or derivative word educating. So we can say here educate is a root word. Of which word? Of educating. And then we'll discuss what is affix. Dear students, please listen to me. Now I'll discuss affix. What is affix? The definition of affix. An affix is a letter. An affix is a letter or syllable which is added. Here which means a letter or syllable which is added to the beginning, to the starting or end of a word. End of a word. I mean of any word it may be. So we can see on the board here affix. How many kinds of affix, dear students? Affix, there are two kinds of affix. The first is prefix and the second is suffix. Here we can see an plus real. An plus real is equal new word, I mean unreal, is equal unreal. Here we can see here real is a root word. Of which word? Of unreal word. And we can see that here an is prefix. So an plus real, I mean prefix plus root is equal new word, I mean unreal. Have you understood, dear students of class 8? I think you have understood clearly. And you should try to understand it. And then suffix. Here we can see on the board, and dear students, look at the board. Real plus ity is equal reality. Real plus ity is equal reality, I mean new word. So here we can see on the board, here root word is real. Root word is real. And ity, sorry, I have written wrong. Right will be suffix. Here ity suffix. Sorry, dear students, I have written in a wrong word, wrong letter. Here correct letter will be ity, and it's okay. Letter is okay, but written is not okay. Correct answer, I mean suffix. Here ity suffix. Here ity suffix, because ity has set up after real word. Yes. So root word real, ity suffix, and equal reality, I mean new word. Here we can see that real is the main or original or root word of reality. So we can see that prefix will be added before after main word, root word, and suffix will be after main word. So we can see real is the main word, and an is the prefix. So we can see that real an here prefix, and prefix must be added before main word. Sorry, main word before main word, and then it will be derivative, and it will be originated or new word, I mean unreal. So prefix will be added before main word, and suffix will be added after main word. Suffix will be added after main word. So dear students, please look at the board and think I have said to you. Okay, and now I will give you homework for you. Homework, and you will make a new word with suffix or prefix. Okay. Today I will give you only prefix, with how to make a new word with prefix. Only prefix, yes. Home task for you. With prefixes, you will make a new word. Okay. Number 1, happy. Number 2, real. Number 3, rich. Number 4, large. Number 5, large. Student. Number 6, follower. Number 7, honesty. Number 8, light. Number 9, Favorable. Number 10. Okay. I'm thinking.
Yes, it is. Follow up to like favorable.
Joy. Okay. If you are able to understand or able to make a new word, you have to. If you want to be able to make a new word, you should think prefix and suffix. I mean, you should be expert in prefixes and suffixes. With the prefixes and suffixes, you must have to make a new word. Actually, suffix and prefix are the best ways how to make a new word. If you want to increase your vocabs, you have to take help from suffixes and prefixes. This is the best magic to make or to create a new word. I mean, suffix and prefix are nothing except the uses of parts of speech. Thank you so much.